Hello guys, I'm back with a new video in continuation to the point and figure charting system. As I have started, I have posted 5 videos for the new people. Please do watch all the videos on my YouTube channel till date. Definitely you'll reap the benefits, you'll enhance your knowledge, and especially the series I have started, point and figure. Only use it on the cash side, or if you are much experienced trader with much risk appetite, then on future side. I'm not SEBI registered advisor or analyst. These videos are just for the knowledge sharing, so please keep this in mind. Any profit or loss is solely your responsibility. And before I begin the today's pattern video, I would like to request you all that please subscribe to the channel and press the bell icon so that in future you may get the notification whenever the video is published. So without wasting time, let me start. Today's agenda is for the two patterns. These are also very strong patterns. These are momentum patterns. By momentum I mean that when a stock breaks to the upside or to the downside, and after it has traveled strongly in that direction and it halts for some time and then restart again. So these patterns are midway after the starting and when they are halting, and we'll be catching the second move if it happens, right? So first pattern is, I've named it as momentum pattern only. Like suppose a strong column of X, something like this is upside, single column, right? Without follow through, down, one column down, right? And then break upside. This will be termed as a double top buy, but the rules are, let's make it objective as we are trading everything as per system. The rules are, column of X, the first one, should have at least least 10 axis, right? Retracement column of O's, max 4 O's. Third column of X upside should trigger double top buy, right? This column of X should have at least 10 axis, at least, it can be more also. This retracement column of O's, max 4 O's, max 4, 3 to 4, right? Third column X should give a breakout. So the name of this pattern is momentum pattern. Why momentum pattern? I have given you the reason already. Built a momentum, halt, and after the halt, if it begins to the upside, we'll get into, right? And for the bearish counter of this, same thing, down minimum 10, up maximum 4, double bottom sell, right? What is it? Bearish momentum, right? Bullish momentum, right? So these are the two patterns, one pattern on the either side, same. So two patterns. For bearish, just do the opposite of this, as I've shown. This is the main thing, minimum 10 O's or minimum 10x, maximum 4 O's, maximum 4x, then double bottom sell or double top buy. So this is bullish momentum pattern, bearish momentum pattern, right? Now a little variant to this, something different, right? And the difference जो भी है वो आपको दिखेगा उसमें. The difference is a bullish pattern, obviously minimum 10 x's or more, then bearish, then bullish, then bearish, maybe downside breakout, then bullish, maybe upside breakout or not, then bearish. I mean, it should be slanting down, right? It should be slanting down, something like this, right? It should be slanting down, something like this. Now whenever we get a bullish breakout above this, right? This pattern is confirmed, but the entry is somewhat here, that I'll tell you how, right? So this pattern is known as ABC pattern, right? Right? The opposite to this, bearish ABC. This is bullish. The major difference, if you have analyzed or observed between this ABC pattern and momentum pattern, is this is also momentum, just ABC. I'll let you know why. This is column is same eligibility criteria. This second column can be different, and in this, before breaking out this, the top of this bullish X of more than 10x column, we have multiple columns inside this range. But here in this bullish momentum or bearish momentum, we just have one column of max 4, right? Here we have multiple columns, right? So this is the strongest to this, because it didn't wait for the second column, it busted upside, and it didn't wait for the second column, second retracement deeper than this, and it broke downside. Here it is taking time, consolidating, and then it may break. So this is ABC bullish. Just invert it, that will be ABC bearish. So I have marked, to save the time, all these 4 patterns. See, first is bullish momentum pattern. Now you will see ABC bullish pattern. See, more than 10 O's, axis, O, retracement, and here we give a breakout, went up, and above that momentum is so strong, we got a bullish momentum pattern. This is ABC pattern, this is ABC bullish, this is bullish momentum, right? Contra to this, ABC bearish, right? A, B is this, C is then breaking. Again, sorry, please watch till end. ABC bullish, bullish momentum, one column, ABC bullish, right? Bearish momentum, one column, bullish momentum pattern, right? Bearish momentum, ABC bullish recent. This is TCS 2-minute chart, right? ABC bullish. So the validity of this ABC bullish is till it breaks down this column low, right? And the validity of bearish momentum is if it goes up this minor retracement before breaking down, and if it goes below this minor retracement before breaking up, right? So hope I'm giving in this point and figure in you small pieces so that you can absorb. So let's make a revision, guys. Bullish momentum pattern, minimum 10 axis or more, max 4 pose retracement, and third column double top buy. Vice versa for bearish. ABC minimum 10 axis column, multiple columns of retracement or range bounded, then upside, and vice versa of this to the bearish. ABC, see, bullish momentum here. I have not captured it in a box. ABC bearish column, this is minimum 10 I have seen. Inside this broke down, went down. ABC bullish momentum, bearish momentum, bullish momentum pattern, bearish momentum, ABC bullish pattern, right? So this was in this video. So please subscribe to the channel and press the bell icon and spread the video to your friends and near ones, the channel link, so that we may grow and more the number of people learning from this channel, I'll have more confidence to put on more videos, right? It's free. People may charge for these kind of things in some seminars or webinars. It's free, and more will be coming, hundreds of videos. Even if you follow my channel and do watch every video on time and just observe and build upon it for your strategies and investment styles, drastically your learning curve will improve, and you don't have to wander here and there, right? Following 20 strategies or 50 people on WhatsApp groups and etc, right? If you find the videos valuable, please like it, comment it, and suggest me what can I do more to improve them and what else you want more, as I have my list of hundreds of strategies and patterns coming in the future. So as of now, signing off. Thank you.